ready to share the secret we've been hiding from everybody. Follow me. Unless you want me to wait. I can wait if you want, but no, let's do it today. So this is her in all her beauty. 1973 Avion La Grande. We're going to be doing a reno on it. After you. She's rough, you know, she's rough around the edges, but we're going to do a full restoration on her, and we're going to take you guys along with us step by step, right from the beginning, cleaning, what to look for, what to avoid if you can help it, everything, really, mechanical, everything. And if you would be so kind to follow us along, give us a follow on Instagram, and we'll be posting on YouTube as well, so if you want to subscribe there, we'd love to have you along. Cheers.